The Supreme Court has given the Trump administration clearance to move forward with roving immigration crackdowns. And that includes in Chicago, where the government is launching Operation Midway Blitz to round up suspected illegal immigrants. Natalie Brand reports from the White House.
One day into a new immigration enforcement operation in Chicago, the Trump administration says it's targeting public safety and national security threats.
We're not out sweeping neighborhoods. We're not out looking for non-criminals. Now, if we run into a non-criminal during these operations, they're absolutely going to be taken in custody.
Operation Midway Blitz in Illinois comes as the Supreme Court has temporarily removed limits on what critics call aggressive, unconstitutional immigration roundups based on factors, including a person's apparent ethnicity. The High Court lifted a lower court's order in California that had blocked those tactics while a legal case continues.
I don't talk about pending cases before the Supreme Court. We've decided this one issue, but the case is going back down. There will be further proceedings in the court below.
Justice Sonia Sotomayor appeared on CBS Mornings. She wrote a scathing dissent calling it a misuse of the emergency docket and saying we should not have to live in a country where the government can seize anyone who looks Latino, speaks Spanish, and appears to work a low-wage job.
To community members and leaders who are worried about profiling, what do you say?
All you say aren't racially profiling. The law says you've got to establish reasonable suspicion to detain and question somebody. And I think the men and women, ICE and Border Patrol, are doing exactly that. And I think the Supreme Court disagreed with us.
The Trump administration says it will continue to crack down on sanctuary cities. The mayor of Chicago says the city did not receive advance notice of the enhanced immigration action and remains opposed to any potential militarized enforcement. The president has not yet announced a deployment of National Guard troops to the city. Natalie Brand, CBS News, the White House.
A recent CBS News poll shows Americans oppose the use of the National Guard to fight crime in major cities, with 58% of those surveyed saying they are opposed to that tactic, with 42% supporting it.